This is the time of year, yes, this is the time of year an extra boost for your skin is very important. That's why Dr. Shannon joins us right now. We're going to talk a little bit about Apex Skin. And you guys are all over the place, like 10 places, and it's a good thing because everyone needs some skin care this time of year. Help, what do we do?
Yes, so there's a lot of different products that we have that can be helpful. At the beginning of this month, Apex actually launched its own product line that we have medical-grade skincare products in all of our 10 locations as well as in our online store.
So I noticed when I go to the store to buy some kind of different creams, some are very, very expensive, some are medium expensive, and some are very inexpensive, and they all claim to do the same thing. Why can't they do the same thing, and why is your product superior?
Well, so there's a lot of differences in medical grade products as well as over-the-counter products. Medical grade products are basically formulated to target a specific concern or issue on your skin. The thing with those is they're also regulated by the FDA and backed by scientific studies as well. And I completely agree with you. I think it would be very, very overwhelming to go to the store. There's so many things over the counter. There are so many things advertised on TV and Instagram and things like that, that it would be overwhelming and probably sometimes discouraging to pick a product. At Apex, we have people that can help you choose your regimen and find what you need for your skin.
I know this is going to be a tough question since we can't show a lot of skin here today, but talking about when you see something specific and you use the right specific product, what's one of the mistakes that people make when they go try to buy their own creams and it doesn't really work for them? They see something, they try this, it doesn't work. How specific can it get?
Well, they're targeted for certain things. You know, we have products that help with acne, rosacea, as well as there's products specifically for pigmentation or fine lines and wrinkles. And sometimes people just grab something that's anti-aging and not specifically for what they need, or they find something that works for that problem, but not specific to their skin type. So it's really important to figure out what the concerns are, pick the right product, and pick the right product for that person's skin type. And that's what we can help with. We have people that can evaluate your skin, figure out what your concerns are, and help come up with a regimen for that.
So if you don't go to a dermatologist or Apex Skin and you say you have like rosacea and you're trying to treat it yourself, you might not be able to do that with over-the-counter stuff.
Right. I feel like I see a lot of patients that come in and they have like their big bag of the 10 different things that they've tried and they're frustrated. And I understand that, you know, because they just want to, they're trying to fix it or help address their problem. But sometimes it's better to get an overall evaluation or consult and figure out, because sometimes they need prescription medications. Sometimes there's products that aren't prescriptions that you can use to be helpful as well. But it's better to kind of get a game plan and move forward versus being frustrated for a year and a half and spending a lot of money on products that aren't really helping.
What's the most common thing that comes in that you're able to help people with in a hurry and they go like, "You've saved me"?
Well, this time of year is definitely their dry skin. With it being cold out, heaters being on in the house, dry skin's a huge problem for people. And we have several different moisturizers that can be helpful, and just some general tips and tricks that we can give people as well.
Okay, yeah, and I was just thinking it might be a good idea to come in there if you have a problem like that, because you might discover another problem person might have, because you should really have your skin looked at least once a year, right?
Yes. We recommend a skin check once a year, and I can't tell you how many times people come in for one problem, and I'll say, well, what's that right over there on your forehead? So we need to address that while you're here too. So yes, definitely having you come in and be checked is important.
Okay, they're wrapping me up right now, so I just want to remind everyone, Apex Skin, you got 10 locations. They're easy to find. Dr. Shannon can help you, all the folks over there, and now is a great time to have your skin looked at, because get your skin healthy again and maybe even find a problem that you're not even aware of. Thank you very much today.
Thank you for your time.
It was great.
Thank you.
Thank you for your time.